Are you missing anything out on your trip? The eyes that can see up to 8 kilometers ahead of your journey. To explore crisscross footpaths far away. A 4K camera flying high in the skies brings you closer to beauty and feel its delicateness. Yes, that's Zino Pro Plus. With a new generation of Sync-Lease HD image transmission to let you see the world more clear and bright. Intelligent battery with longer life, offering the flight times up to 43 minutes. Professional 3-axis stabilized gimbal make the shots smooth and free. One backpack, one world. Professional and intelligent Zino Pro Plus folding aerial filming drone is portable. Oh, anything else? Of course. Take off, land, and return, all with one key. Operating the drone and its functions is simple. Time-lapse photography, image following, orbiting, line fly mode. Help shoot memories on your pleasant journey with ease. So, are you ready to go? Take it and record your life's journey now.
At Autel Robotics, we push the boundaries of modern flight, exploring the unknown with unparalleled performance. This is the Evo 2 series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. Evo 2, the world's first 8K foldable drone, brings you unmatched video resolution and 48 megapixel stills to capture the world with more detail than ever before. Featuring 10-bit A-log color profile, Evo 2 records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR video stands out with increased dynamic range, delivering top-of-the-line image quality that you'll covet after experiencing. The powerful phase detection autofocus function and 120 FPS slow-motion video capabilities are an ideal combination for high-speed shooting. Thanks to 4 times lossless zoom and defogging mode, Evo 2 is perfect for capturing your subject from a distance without missing a single detail. If Evo 2 is all about detail, then Evo 2 Pro is all about professional users. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with brilliant color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, Evo 2 Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with the FLIR camera, Evo 2 Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring Autel Robotics' latest flight control system, the Evo 2 series offers an unparalleled flight experience. So intuitive, every flight seems effortless. Our new airframe is covered with 12 optical cameras, achieving stunning omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by creating an accurate 3D map of the environment in real time with automatic intelligent path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, Evo 2 recognizes up to 64 subjects at once, allowing for immediate pinpoint tracking. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a 9-kilometer range, the sky is no longer the limit. Unmatched performance, resolution, and computer vision. The future is now the present. This is Evo 2 series.
The all-new Yuneec Typhoon H Plus puts the power to capture even the most complex aerial photography in your hands. With its high-quality 1-inch sensor camera, built-in advanced flight modes, smart controller, and real-time tablet display, the Typhoon H Plus is a complete professional package. So here's everything you'll need to know to get ready for your first of many flights with your Typhoon H Plus. First, you'll want to charge the flight battery and the ST16S smart controller. The charger and all the equipment you'll need can be found in the accessories box. It includes options for both a wall adapter and a car adapter to charge your batteries. Next, plug in the charger and wait for the light on top to flash green. When the flight battery is fully seated on the charger, the indicator light will flash red. That's your indication that the battery is charging. Now, grab the USB cable from the accessories box and plug it into the side of the smart charger. Then plug the other end into the ST16S smart controller. The ST16S can be charged using any USB charger, but the smart charger included with your Typhoon H Plus will charge the controller faster. When the battery is fully charged, you'll hear this tone and the charger will show a solid green light. Next, you'll want to unfold the arms on your Typhoon H Plus and lock them into flight mode. This is done by simply lifting each arm until you hear a positive click. When you're transforming the Typhoon H Plus back into travel mode, simply press the indicated button and fold the arm down. With the arms extended now, you can install the quick release propellers. The propellers are labeled both A and B to match up with the motors in the same fashion. You'll notice half the motors have white buttons and half the props have a white ring. That's just a quick way to remember which propeller fits where. Simply match the white buttons with the white ring propellers. Now place the propeller onto the motor and lightly spin it until it slots into the locking mechanism. Then while holding down the motor stationary with your other hand, lock it in by gently turning the propeller clockwise if it's a white propeller or counterclockwise if it's black. If you forget that though, there are lock and unlock directional icons on top of each propeller to guide you. Your microSD card can be found in the accessories box inside the SD card adapter. To install the microSD card into the C23 camera, flip the Typhoon H Plus upside down and lift the rubber cover on the microSD card slot, turning the cover to the side. Finally, make sure the writing on the microSD card is facing the back of the camera as you insert it into the slot on the bottom of the camera. Now you're ready for your first flight with your Typhoon H Plus. For details on that, check out our in-flight tutorial video.